We're excited to introduce a new level of flexibility when it comes to managing office hours in RICOH Spaces. Now, administrators can configure office hours on a per-day basis. Previously, when configuring office hours for a location, it set the same hours for each day of the week. For many users, this works fine, but we wanted to offer more flexibility so that organizations can easily tailor the settings to their own requirements. So with this update, office hours can easily be configured per day. Let me show you exactly how it works. So firstly, we need to access our settings, and we can do that by starting from our map and using the organization settings icon in the left-hand menu. Then we need to find our location, as these settings work on a per location basis. So we'll find our Birmingham office, and then we can just use the details tab and easily scroll down to find the updated office hours menu. And right from this section, we can initially enable or disable certain days by using these toggles. So if I enable Monday, then I can choose the office hours for that day. So if we kept things fairly standard, I could say from 8 until 6, just like we have for Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday, I could leave disabled if we're keeping the office closed that day. And Friday, we might have a half day finish. So if I set that to 2 o'clock, we could also enable Saturday to allow people to work from the morning. So if we said from 9 until 12, then the spaces will be bookable on that day between those hours. We'll hit save, and our location details are now saved. Now, when a day is enabled, that will mean users can book desks for those days. But if a day is set to disabled, like Thursday is here, then employees will not be able to book desks, lockers, or parking for themselves or for any visitors that they might have coming in that day. It will also remove that day from any recurring bookings that a user will want to make. And if I show you what it will look like, if I skip to Thursday, then all of the desks will appear as grey, and it will say that it's not a valid day to book. Now, when it comes to rooms, this has different behavior. If we look at the room schedule for days that the office is enabled, then we'll be able to see 1 hour before and 1 hour after the office opening hours. And unlike desks, lockers, or parking, you will be able to book meeting rooms on days where the office is closed to make sure that those essential meetings can still happen. When it comes to rules on booking desks, if an administrator has made custom booking slots for any particular desks, then this will overrule the office hours. For example, Friday for us is configured until 2 o'clock for the office opening hours. But if there is a particular desk in that office that is bookable until 6 o'clock, then you will be able to book that desk for the full duration, ignoring the office hours. And then finally, when it comes to visitors, of course, you can bring them in for days where the office is enabled, and you can still bring them in for days where the office is not enabled. However, on those particular days, you will not be able to book them a desk, parking, or locker space. And that's our quick overview of our updated office hours configuration feature. This new feature gives admins the flexibility to manage their resources more effectively, adapting the platform to your organization's unique schedule. By allowing different office hours for different days, admins can ensure that space usage aligns with actual working patterns. For more information, you can check out the written article on the RICOH Spaces Help Center, and why not check out our latest video on the RICOH Spaces YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.